Welcome to Linguage TV once again. Today I'm bringing this vlog to you from Casier. This is a small town in the province of Trviso. It's close to Trviso. It's such a beautiful place to behold. So I've decided to come to this place so that I'll show it to you, for you to know these villages in Italy, how they look like. So I entreat you to kindly lend me your ear and your eyes to watch this very short video, and I think you will really enjoy it. So let's start this vlog. This river behind me is called River Sili. Sili is a bigger river, passes through the city of Trviso. Wherever you go, you find this same river, and here it's much bigger. And even if you go to that place, it looks much bigger than this. It's like a lagoon. So I've come to this place to vlog, and I think that you really enjoy it. So let's start this vlog once again, bringing this live to you from Casier. Okay, so like I said, this small town, it's about 5 kilometers away from Trviso. It's close to Trviso. It shares border, or let's say it's one of its towns close to Trviso. So I've come here to show this river to you. I love rivers. I'm the kind who love rivers, who cherish rivers. That's why I've come here to show it to you. And this is one of the Italy small cities or small towns. Yeah, small towns with so you see these canoes here and there. If they want to enjoy, then they jump into it, and then they will enjoy themselves. If you look at that place at my back, that place is going straight to Yezero. Yes, if they want to go to the beach, they just get on one of these smaller boats. Yes, smaller boats, and then they move to that direction. If you now here at my back, takes you to the city of Trviso. So it's very beautiful place. River is nature. If you love nature, then Linguage TV also love nature. Kindly subscribe it and you enjoy. Let us move into the town to see what this town have for us. So as you can see, a small, beautiful town were made. I want you to look at this site. Linguage TV once again. We have promised that we will show Italy cities to you. Not only cities, towns. Some people think that Italy is village, but I want you to know that even this little town, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oggi sono venuto qui, questa piccola paese si chiama Casier. È una piccola paese, piccola città o paese vicino o villaggio vicino Trviso. Bellissima. Oggi sono venuto qui per far vedere a tutti quanto Italia è bellissima. Italia è bellissima. Italy is beautiful. Okay. Like I said, you can make suggestions. You can also tell us the city or the town you want us to visit. I live close. I live in Trviso, so I've been bringing you more from this area. But in case you have a place in mind that you think we can visit, beautiful paintings here and there, Somebody has, is it a paint or picture? I think it's a picture depicting the surroundings. I think it's a picture or drawing, painting. Whatever it is, beautiful. And take a look at them. Beautiful. Okay, isn't it beautiful? I think it's beautiful. Okay, so take a look at this paint. And then the one interesting thing is that, look at this bicycle path. It takes you to Trviso. This same path can take you to Yezero. They have constructed it along the river from Trviso to Yezero, the beach. So it's beautiful. It's well thought through project. And it's very interesting, helping the citizens of this town and this province. Kindly subscribe to LinkJ TV. We are pleased to have your comments. Comments are also important. They encourage us to keep doing what we are doing. They also tell us to make some changes. I say it's a small town. It's called Casier. Look at, it's a village, but beautiful, very clean. Okay. Okay, like I said, this town I think has a lot to offer, has a lot to show, even though it's very little, but it's very beautiful. You can go to that side, but I will not be going to that side. I'm interested in showing to you this very beautiful place. So let me sit down and then so I think the town is very beautiful and the town is clean like many of the towns in this very area. The river is also very big and very clean. And then I think it's very, I do appreciate it. So do go to comment it. I will be ending it here. Like, I think by now you know how we do our videos. We don't do it long. We want to make it brief. Make it as brief as I can. So this is the town for you. So the town is Casier. Bye for now. Kindly share it for me, like it for me, and then comment it for me. I will be glad to hear from you. Bye, 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 bye.